In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstar a folder in Google Drive. Starring is a handy way to mark important items so they're easy to find in the starred section, but when something's no longer a priority, it's just as helpful to remove that star and keep your drive tidy. The process is quick, and it's the same for both files and folders. First, sign in to your Google Drive in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to where your item lives. You can use the left sidebar to open My Drive or a shared drive, or use the search bar at the top if you remember the name. If you're unstarring a folder, open the location where that folder is stored. If you're unstarring a specific file, open the folder that contains that file. Next, find the item you previously starred. Right-click on it to open the context menu. If you're unstarring a folder, right-click the folder. If you're unstarring a file, right-click the file. You should see a list of actions you can take. From that menu, go to Organize. This option groups actions related to how an item is categorized in your drive. Inside Organize, look for the option that says Remove from Starred and click it. The change takes effect immediately. You won't lose the item. You're simply removing its star so it no longer shows up in the starred section. To confirm it worked, glance at the item's star icon. If it was showing as filled, it should now be empty. You can also click Starred in the left sidebar to make sure the item no longer appears there. If you don't see the update right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. A couple of practical tips. If you don't see Organize in the menu, you may see Remove from Starred directly in the right-click menu. Selecting that does the same thing. In some views, you can also open the item preview and toggle the star icon on the top bar to remove the star. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're signed into the right one so you're adjusting the correct drive. Remember, removing a star does not delete or move anything. The item stays exactly where it is, and you can star it again later if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to where the item is stored, right-click it, open Organize, and choose Remove from Starred. Thanks for watching, and keep your drive organized by starring only what you truly need, and unstarring the rest when you're done.